You can't sort strings. That's because strings are immutable, but you can sort lists because lists are mutable. Let's look at how this works. Let's say my list equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, it's already sorted. Let's try a different list. Okay. We can display my list. It's 6, 4, 7, 4, 2. We can now call my list.sort. Let's look at my list again. Now 2, 4, 4, 6, 7. It's been sorted. Now, wouldn't it be nice if we could do that with a string? Let's try. Oops, attribute error, string object has no attribute sort. So we apparently can't sort a string. At this point, you might be saying, no, you can sort a string, just use the sorted method. So let's try that. My string sorted equals sorted of my string. Let's take a look at my string sorted. It's ADFS. So it's sorted, but it's not a string. So the next thing we can do is say that my actual string sorted equals empty string.join my string sorted. Now let's look at my actual string sorted. And we have ADFS back in a string. Now, something tricky that I want to point out about this is I could have said my string equals empty string.join my string, my string equals empty string.join sorted of my string. Give this the proper variable name. Now my string equals ADFS. And you might be complaining, I thought you said strings are immutable. How come my string can have be different than it was before? That's because my string is now pointing to a brand new string, namely the one ADFS. It's not pointing to what my string was previously pointing to, the ASDF. So that's a bit about strings and sorting. Oh, I wanted to make one more point. It's a hint at the implementation detail that sorted of my string returns a list. In fact, we could this is easily called sorted of list of my string, and the result is the same. So that's a hint that under the hood, Python is turning the string into a list before it sorts it. That's some stuff about lists and strings and sorting. Thanks for watching.